All right, so in this video, we are going to connect Nifty Images with your AEvent account. And what we need from Nifty Images is the API. So what we're going to do is in this video go through and show you where to find that API and how to hook up to AEvent. So what you want to do is sign into Nifty Images. And then up here, you can hear the cogwheel. And you want to go down and go to integrations and plugins. And then API. And then here you'll see your API for the one that you have set up. If you do not have one set up, you can go here and click new API key and add in a new one. Now, in other videos I've said it's a good idea to kind of keep this information on a spreadsheet so you're able to just go to that spreadsheet, copy and paste it in case you need this information again. Sometimes the platforms do updates, the connection gets lost, and you sometimes might have to reconnect the connection again. The easiest way is to go into a spreadsheet like this and then just be able to copy the API right from here and then go and reintegrate. So now that we have the API key, we're going to go into AEvent, go to integrations, and we can search for it in here and then click add integration. And hit connect. Now it's going to come up and look for that key. So like I said, instead of going into the app and going all those steps, all you have to do is just open up your spreadsheet, copy the key, and then oops, that's what happens when you have too many windows open. So let's do this here. There we go. And then paste in that key and hit continue. And we get the successful integration added. And we will see Nifty Images here. And if you go into the timeline, this is one of the integrations where you will not see it in the timeline in the integrations. As you will see here, you're not going to see the Nifty Images here. You will see it in your overall integration part here. Where you're going to find that is in your media. And then right across the top here, you see Nifty Images right there. So what you have now is you see there's these three items, a countdown and 2 images. And if we go back into Nifty Images, you can see those guys right here. So now, if you went and made a new image in here, what you would have to do is just come up and click on Refresh Images, and that new image will populate here in your list. So that's it for connecting Nifty Images to AEvent. You can look around. We are going to have a video actually on how to set up Nifty Images to be able to do the whiteboard that we talk about and ask you to give us an uploaded whiteboard pic of you pointing at a blank whiteboard. In the next video, we'll have the link here somewhere as well. We'll show you how to create that and how it gets populated back here in AEvent. So if you like the video, please click on the thumbs up. Please subscribe so you know any other information that we do publish, you will be aware of. It's going to be everything on how to use these tools and everything with AEvent. And then as always too, you can reach out to us using the support messages or the help here. You can search our knowledge base. So thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.